Hey friends, who's hungry? What could be better on St. Patrick's Day than corned beef brisket glazed in bourbon? Place 1 4 to 5 pound corned beef brisket in a large stock pot. Cover with water and add the seasoning packet. Bring the pot to a boil, then cover and simmer for about 3 hours until the meat is tender. When the meat is done, remove it from the pot, but be sure to reserve 2 tablespoons of the cooking liquid for the glaze and then discard the rest of the liquid. In a small saucepan, combine half a cup of orange juice, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, the reserved corned beef liquid, 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard, and 1/4 cup of bourbon. Whisk in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch until smooth. Bring the liquid to a boil and cook until the glaze has thickened, about 1 to 2 minutes. Arrange 10 small halved red potatoes, 5 peeled and cut carrots, and 1 sliced cabbage in a single layer on a roasting pan or dish. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Place the corned beef in the roasting pan on top of the vegetables. Apply the glaze liberally over the top of the entire corned beef. Roast the corned beef at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes, applying more glaze every 10 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Allow the corned beef to rest for 10 minutes before slicing against the grain. Serve the corned beef with the roasted vegetables and drizzle with the glaze.